Hey y'all, what's up? It's me Tay and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be styling, reviewing, and showing you how I finesse this beautiful hair from Rosehair. So if you're interested, please keep on watching and I'll show you how to get it done. Alright, so let's get it cracking. So we have hair today from Rosehair. It comes packaged in this beautiful box, which is magnetic, so you can reuse it over and over again for whatever you want to use it for. You can even just store the wig in there if you like. So inside the box comes a care package. Comes with the wig inside of a drawstring bag, which is nice so the hair doesn't get all frayed. Comes with a wig cap. It comes with a good comb. And it also comes with a awesome little makeup bag, but inside that makeup bag, it's got some more goodies. So inside that bag, you get a razor that you could use to trim the baby hairs and cut the lace. You also get a pair of really cute lashes. And you also are going to receive a pair of tweezers and a little clip here that you can use to help pull the hair back. And then lastly, you'll get a nice scrunchie. So that is the care package that you'll get with your wig. It also comes with a little bit of literature about the wig and further hair products that you can get in the future. So now it's time to show the wig. So this wig is a beautiful 24-inch straight hair. It looks a little bit wavy right now. That's because it was, packaged and everything like that. So it has that wavy effect because of the package, but it's straight hair. And it comes with 4 clips. You get 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle of the head behind the lace, and then you get 1 in the back in the nape. And it's adjustable with straps. And as you can see, this is how it looks against my skin. So right here, I'm just going to try this lace on, and I'm going to make sure it fits to my head and make sure that when I put it on and cut the lace, it's right where I need it to fall. So I don't really like to cut the lace until I get a good fitting on my head. So what I like to do is pull the hair back and then I make a cut down the center. And the reason I do that is so that it's easier to trim the lace closer to the hairline, going from side to side as opposed to going in one large continuous cut. I feel like I mess up when I do that, so I just decide to just go ahead, cut it down the middle, and then meet in the middle with each side, if that makes any sense at all. So once I've had the lace pretty much adjusted to my head and cut off, here's me styling it. So I'm laying the hair down on some glue that I've already had tacky and ready to go. So I'm just going to press that down onto the glue, the lace, and make sure that they blend together and melt. Now I'm not doing the whole crazy layout type of thing. I'm literally going to be taking this wig off in a few hours. So I just put it on and it doesn't have to be super glued down to the max. So I only put 1 layer of glue and I use bold hold. So now I'm going to section the hair into 2. 1 half I'm just going to put away so that I can begin curling the second half and doing my baby hairs. So I'm going to start doing the baby hairs first. Now, one thing I've learned with baby hairs over the years of making and doing wigs is that you need to cut them in a kind of like short to long pattern. So I take my scissors and I cut diagonally away from where I'm going to start the initial swoop of the hair, and I find that that makes it a lot easier for the hair to kind of lay the way that I like it to personally lay. So however you do your baby hairs is how you do your baby hairs. But that's just a little tip on how I cut my baby hairs on certain wigs. So here I'm going to be using a hot comb to push the hair back. I feel that when you use a hot comb, it lays the hair a lot better and it gives a more realistic look, because hair doesn't necessarily lay flat down like that, like leaning towards your forehead. It usually pushes back off of your forehead. So I use the hot comb to push the hair back so I can reveal more of my forehead.
Honestly, I should have known better, because I ended up burning a hole into the table, and this is where I fucked up. I really messed up. I was so pissed. Yeah, so oops.
To be honest with you, I didn't really have any rhyme or reason when I was curling my hair. I was just kind of curling the hair in a way where the hair would just be light, playful, with a nice soft wave. So I was curling the hair going away from my face using a flat iron. So as you can see, I'm just going to continue that all throughout the hair. Going back in with Miss Dangerous Hot Comb, I'm going to continue to push the hairline back so that you can see more of my forehead region and see where the lace and the baby hairs kind of separate. I think that gives a more natural kind of a look to the wig. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to add some curls in and just kind of play with the hair. I'm also going to begin to add a few layers in the hair too, because I noticed that this hair, since it's all one length, the hair doesn't curl the way that I wanted it to. So I just went in pretty much and started adding some layers to the hair. So you'll see that shortly, but right now I'm just, playing around with this hair. So pretty much like I said, I kind of just had no rhyme or reason with this hair. I'm just kind of playing around with it, adding soft little curls wherever I feel like the hair could use a little bump and a little bit of zhuzh. So that's what I did throughout the whole entire wig. Add some layers, cut the baby hairs, and that's it. You don't really have to go and do the whole 3D high definition thing if you don't want to. This is just how I chose to style it, but you can of course style it the way that you want to style it, because it would be your wig and not mine. But as you can see, this hair has plenty of bounce, plenty of shine and luster. It's soft, it's beautiful, the hair texture is amazing. You could really do some really good curls with this hair, and I'm in love with the product. The product is amazing. So as you can see, this hair is serving and giving life. I just want to make a short mention to my eyebrows. I know they're looking a little strange. That's because I'm going through this thing. I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out naturally so I don't have to draw them in anymore. So excuse my eyebrows, because I know somebody's going to say something. So let me just get it out there. Anyway, back to this hair, y'all. I love it. It gets a 10 out of 10 stars for me. Soft, beautiful, bouncy. It's got a good color to it. It's natural. The company is amazing. The company's customer service is fantastic. They'll reach out to you if you have any questions or if you need any kind of personal wig, like if you want to get one, you know, tailored made for you, they can do that for you as well. But this is just one of the wigs that, you know, was sent to me. So it wasn't necessarily tailored to my head, but it feels like it was because of how great they do their wigs. So, yeah, like I said, I would definitely give them a 10 out of 10. Please check them out. That's Rosehair. You can go to rosehair.com. I'll leave all the information about the wig in the description box so that you can go on and check out rosehair.com. You can follow them on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at Taesface. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.